Hello YouTube friends, back again. Fried bologna in a cast iron skillet, camping on the lake. Got my laptop with YouTube, working off my USB from my phone. Got my ham radios. Another short video clip for anyone that hasn't saw my channel yet. Van camping, fishing poles, tackle box. Camping in my van with the bed. Coleman folding cot, running some lights off that battery. Gonna get this bread. There's my tent. Fried bologna sandwich. Mocha chocolate coffee and some Spam. Got some hot dogs, got some eggs. Gonna be doing some cast iron cooking with instant coffee. Boil some water in that pot, fry eggs and Spam for breakfast, fried hot dogs and bologna tonight. And that bologna's shriveled up, got to put another piece in there. Thank y'all for watching. Please click like on the video if you like. I'll be back.